yourself and tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
Alright, hey guys, welcome to my channel, y'all. It's been a minute since I have been in front of a camera. Oh my goodness, but I needed the break for sure. But I am back with a new unit, you guys. This unit is from Unice Hair. They have upgraded their Bye Bye Knots collection. So if you don't know what that is, it's basically everything is done for you. They bleached the knots, they've taken the lace off for you, they've plucked the hairline. They have done everything you could possibly think of so that you could just throw this on and go. This line is literally for everyone. It doesn't matter. You don't have to just be a beginner. You could just be like me on some days where you just really don't want to deal with your hair, or you don't want to deal with wearing a wig and everything that comes with it. They've already done it for you, so you are ready to go. So with this being upgraded, they've also added the curved C to the ear tab. So if you are a glasses wearer like I am, y'all, you can just put your glasses on and go. I'll give you up close of everything in just a second. I'm gonna show you guys how I got these curls. Y'all won't believe it, but I'm gonna keep that to the end. Woo, y'all don't know how bad your girl needed just a new unit. I was definitely digging them out of the closet the other day, and I was like, I need a refresh. It is time for a refresh, and they came through with this one, y'all. So I'm not gonna drag this on. Hopefully I can get to happy hour and have a little something to myself, because your girl desperately needs it. Mama needs it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. All right, y'all, so let me go ahead and give you guys an up close look at this unit. Here's everything that they sent me along with some tape. I'll show you guys how to use the tape at the end. It's not my absolute favorite, but we'll get into that later. Here are the curls, and this is just how I pulled the wig right out of the box. They've already done everything for you. This is a 7x5 closure unit, 24 inches and 150% density. And then here's just an up close look at that C-curve by the ear tabs for your glasses so that they're nice and comfortable on your face. So this unit can be worn absolutely glueless. You don't need any adhesive if it fits your head nice and flush. As for me, it just doesn't. Every time I wear or try a glueless unit with just no adhesive, it doesn't work, and it's always the middle. So all I'm doing right here, you guys, is just putting a little bit of hairspray like right in the middle where it would lift up where the part is, and then a little on the sides, because the unit does like curve back into my hair and I just didn't want it to lift, so I just added some hairspray there. And that's it. Like, I literally put a dot or two and that's it. I didn't even do the whole closure because it's not necessary. It fits so well on my head. It's just that middle part. I was not walking out the house with my lace lifting up. And some of y'all just need to go ahead and add a little bit of hairspray too. This is just coming from a friend. Don't be afraid, add a little hairspray. You will be just fine. And y'all see, I went on ahead and plucked a little bit because that's just what I do. I like the front to just look a little bit thinner than what they had it, but it's not necessary. So I plucked a little bit, and then just adding in my baby hair right here, because that's another thing. Y'all cannot convince me. Some of these units just look much better with a little wispy hair, a little bit of baby hair. We don't have to do the most swoops and stuff, but I just don't like the look of the lace showing right in the front. So I like it to be covered with some hair, and that's what I'm doing. So yeah, so I'm using the Ebin foam. I really like this foam because it helps to melt the lace really well and give you it just gives a really nice hold when you don't want to use anything, because I've definitely used the foam just on its own, and that's what I would have done without the hairspray had it actually, just fit right in the front. But you could definitely use the ear tape or the wig tape, I guess I should say, that they gave you. I'm just not the biggest fan because, well, I'm not the biggest fan of it on this particular unit. I like it on more of a 13x4 just for added security where the sideburns are. And since this is a closure, I just felt it just was not necessary, and it fits so well on my head. That little bit of hairspray in this mousse was enough, but they do give that to you. I would definitely take it on vacation too. Keep that in mind, because it's vacation season, right? It's summertime is basically here. And if you don't have any adhesive or you don't have any hairspray, just take your tape and you should be good, y'all. But look how good my little edges came out. I'm about to give you guys an up close look because this melted so quickly, so easily. Oh, it just looked, oh y'all, I just loved it. And y'all, I am switching powders when it comes to my hairline. I was using the Fenty because I thought it blended really well, but I found that my Laura Mercier, I will put what I use down, like the shade that I use down there. It just blends really, really well. And I like it because it also doesn't pull orange. Y'all know what I'm talking about? And so, yeah, I would normally, of course, just use some bronzer, push the bronzer back into the hairline. But I don't think this day I used a lot of bronzer, which is why I opted for the powder. So anyways, y'all, let's go ahead and get into styling this hair. And to be honest, y'all, all I'm doing to get these curls is brushing it out. They gave you guys like the prettiest body wave already done for you. I'm hoping once I wash it, it will come back to this. We will see. But oh my gosh, I love the curls. And all I'm doing as far as heat goes is adding a little bit of my wax stick. I didn't go as hard as I normally would because I wanted this hair to still have body in it. I knew I'd be keeping it on for a couple days because y'all, believe it or not, I've been wearing my wigs to bed and stuff lately. Whew, that has been a change, but it's actually helped tremendously. Now I get why y'all do that. But anyway, so yeah, so I didn't want my hair weighed down, so just added a little bit of that wax stick with my hot comb, and that's all the heat that I did. The curls are on their own. I'm gonna add a few layers just right in the front because I like the length of this. I loved everything about it, but I wanted to kind of break up the, you know, just the one length right in the front and make it look a tiny bit more natural. And y'all, final touches here. I am happy with the look. I'm just going to lift up my little baby hairs. I've been loving the wispy look. Y'all know I just don't like them sticking to my forehead like that. And that's basically it, you guys. And make sure you check the description box. I'm gonna put everything down there. The direct link to this unit will be down there, as well as any products that I use. Just remember, you do have different options as far as how you want to apply this unit. You don't have to use any glue, any adhesive if you don't want to. Look, I can still get to my scalp with a little rat tail comb, or you can use the wig tape that they gave you. I'm about to show you guys exactly how I would use it if I had like a 13x4 right here. So all you do is just peel it off. You can apply it to the lace or directly to your skin. Press on it and you're good to go. Just make sure you don't have any like residue, no oil or anything like that. Also, make sure you don't get it directly on your little baby hair, your hairline, and you should be good to go, you guys. So this is just a different option. Thank y'all for watching. I'll talk to you in my next one.
If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name.